It's Horton Loves Adventure, and today we're coming to you with another food review. Today, we're doing Doritos 3D. A little nostalgia here. I haven't had these since probably the early 2000s, 2001, 2002. I think they discontinued them in 2003, and now they're back, you know, because 2020. I got the, oh, they smell so good. I got the spicy ranch flavor. They also have nacho chili cheese, I believe. So yeah, let's just dig right in and try these. So first, they kind of look like bugles. They kind of look like bugles for sure. So here goes nothing. Very good. A little spicy. I'm surprised. It's a little spicy. But they're as good as I remember. These were like my favorite things when I was a kid. They used to come in like Pringles looking tubes. And they're really good. They're really good. Definitely, if you're wondering what this tastes like, well, I mean, the flavor is great, but the texture and the chip is like a bugle. Yeah, that's pretty much what it is. It's just puffed up and sealed on the bottom. If you've never tried these, I recommend them. If you like the old ones, you're gonna love these, because I don't know if this was a flavor when I was a kid, but it's just really good. Really, really good. Good job, Doritos, for making 2020 just a little bit better. It's like Cool Ranch with a spice. 8 out of 10. Thank you for watching this video. And as always, like, comment, subscribe. Liking this video definitely helps. It helps this video get seen by more people. It's not exactly what my channel's about, but I'm going to try to do it a little more often. Go ahead and hit the bell up at the top, and that'll notify you when I post a new video. But yeah, have a great day.